Let us, Mr. President, tell the British government in no uncertain terms that there is no need, none whatsoever, for the so-called reflection by the Rhodesians. There is not the slightest possibility that the Africans in Southern Rhodesia will change their mind, and the Pearce Commission makes this point quite clear. The report is also clear on the reasons given by Africans for opposing the proposals. Their opposition stems from the deep frustration and humiliation at the kind of life imposed on them by the white regime. And let us be frank, each and every one of us would react likewise if we were equally frustrated and humiliated. The British government has therefore a clear course of action. It must act to assert its authority and change the present power structure in Rhodesia. The British government must act to ensure that there will be no independence in Southern Rhodesia before majority rule. To Africans in that territory and to Africa as a whole, no compromise will be acceptable.